I did the 28-day summer sculpt and here's what happened. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So you're watching this video because I did the 28-day summer sculpt challenge. Jen M introduced me to her. It's completely free. So she came up with this 28-day summer sculpt program and I did it and I brought friends on. It started in June and ended the last day of June. It's only 28 days. How it works is that there's a video for every single day. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You had different areas of the body that she would target. So you did that for 4 weeks, which ends up to be 28 days.
4,
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Oh!
It was fun. I wouldn't do it again, but I do recommend it. I followed it pretty okay, except for my 3rd and 4th week I started slipping up because I traveled and then I just lost motivation. It definitely got me being more active, and since I didn't really have much to do, having something to do every single day kept me kind of accountable to be a human being instead of just being lazy in my room, which I also did.
Must have taken all night. 'Cause she ain't never made anybody less gay.
Push down. Do it closer.
I can't. Dude, it's good. There is a stretch. And today is July 5th. I just finished the workout. Some before and after photos. Gabby took them for me. She was like, smile. People always look so miserable in their before photos. So I did smile. After photos, it wasn't like after because I still had 3 workouts to go. I had been eating horribly.
I had just been eating pizza from my New York trip that I got for free at a private Bastille concert show hosted by Alt 92.3 at the Chelsea Music Hall. So many information that nobody needs to know, but I just like to say.
I just wasn't feeling that great, and the workout that Gabby and I did that day, I didn't really put much effort into, but I do see a difference. I'm glad I did it because even though I felt so horrible in the after photos, do notice a slight difference. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If there's any other fitness challenges that you would like me to do, please comment down below because I like trying it. Michelle Kerr, she's an inspiration of mine. See you in the next one. Bye!